There we go. Now we're all right. Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
Yeah.
So we're
Okay, so we are at First Water. We're right here. And we're going to take 104 and just go a little ways as far as you want to go and then come back. But if you want, you can hike the whole wilderness. 100 square miles. All right.
Probably got that hat with the big. Yeah. Smart kid. She's got to figure out how it works. Like when she realizes that it does benefit her, she'll leave it on.
And she doesn't have to squint like crazy.
When you get tired, I can take her.
Go out for the horse poop.
Yeah.
Have you seen those things in the pool? Should get one for Maddie. They're like
Worms?
rafts. No.
Oh.
They're like not rafts, but like things like you sit. They have a canopy over them.
Oh.
So they can sit in the sun without.
Oh.
But
Like a bathing suit where the bottom is down
Yeah.
and then it's a kickboard and then there's a canopy above it.
yeah. Hi, Boo-Boo. You're hiking. You're out hiking in the desert. Here, let me get a picture of the three of you. Madeline. Here, Jack, get you a fork. Madeline. Hi. What?